makeup because I, did a little shindig for what we're doing today. Sometimes it's nice to put on a little makeup, and just, spruce up yourself. Why not?
Yeah, spruce up, so might as well spruce it up.
Today is actually really exciting, and you might be wondering, oh my god, how can we get a video today? Well, we thought that this deserved its very own standalone video, and it's basically, you haven't seen a video like this for a couple of years, where we kind of take you through all of the choices that we made for our renovation. That said, we have a couple choices that we need your help with. So we're heading to Active Home Center right now. Our spot, that's our one-stop shop where we're going to be looking at tiles today. We're going to be sharing about lighting, ceiling fans, bathtub. It's very exciting, the thought that I'm going to have a tub. Do you know what I did?
What?
I actually bought two books because it's like a one of those books where it's like a, what do you call it, a sequel. I bought the books and I said I am going to read these books when I have my little patio area and my bathtub, and these books I will start when the room is done. So yeah, I'm doing that, so I'm very excited.
The place is very gritty right now, but we are moving from gritty to pretty real quick. I know Active at a sort way out where that is concerned.
Yeah, this one has been a long time coming, because I remember even when we did our home, and if you've been here for a while, you remember how our home used to look and how it looks now. And something that was such a huge game changer for us was the floors. So actually tiling out the whole ground floor was like a massive game changer for our home. And it was a big facelift, but it also, improved the quality of our day-to-day lives. When you walk into our bedroom, out of our living room, TV room, dining room, kitchen, it's a stark difference. And so it's exciting that we are finally saying, okay, our turn now, let's move the upgrade into our room. So it's very exciting, and one of the big changes is obviously going to be the flooring. So we're going to definitely have some fun choosing that today. I'm excited to share the choices with you, but they are completely different.
And last time MTM Family came through with the choices, and they really helped us to make the decision. So this time around, I want you guys to put on an interior decorator hat and getting the typing fingers ready, because I want the interaction. I want to know what on the think about this, because a lot of things me like it, but Tami like the next one better, so I want to get the tiebreaker, and that just might be one of guys, you know what I mean? So
and as I go along, I'll definitely be sharing mood boards with you guys, kind of giving you an idea of kind of like the vibe we're going for, and we'll go from there. Oh, Andrew said he's going to meet me as well at Active, so I'm happy for that, because he does kind of help me to bring it all together and to life. So yeah, all right, we'll see you there. Very excited, as if you couldn't tell. You see this name Kintit. Alright guys, so we're at Active Home Center, and of course I'm here with my contractor slash designer. We're going to interior design, tell him every day. No, all the time. Andrew, thank you so much for coming today and always helping us to figure out the look and feel of the space. I always say we get a really cool layout, but then you always tell me to be go with this type of vibe, go with this type of tile. So today we're going to be sharing some of that process with you, because I know you guys love that. And where better to start than the floor. Now, I'm a little agonized over the floor because we haven't fully chosen but we're gonna choose today with your help.
But you know, it's the most important part because it ties everything together. Whether you're going warm, cool,
And
what
then,
you're accenting it with.
Yeah, and then you threw me off completely because originally I thought we were just gonna go with the large format tile, but then you brought two wood plank tiles, and now my world is upside down. So let me share them with you. All right, so as you can see, they're very different, but they are both wood plank tiles. Now, I wasn't even thinking about this. The last time we did wood plank though was in the kitchen and dining, and I love that. And
Bingo.
those have held up beautifully. So now with these, they're much larger format, and I love them both. I think this is very different to the rest of the house, and this one.
This will flow with the tiles that you have leading into the bedroom, but it kind of ties you into a cool palette for your accents. It looks nice though.
It does look nice, and so that's where we're at with this. Do we go more warm tone or do we go more cool tone? And that's where you guys come in and help me. Wayne, which one you like?
Alright, hold on. Me just ask somebody for hold my phone. I go punch in and sit out my feet. I have to go close to the tile to see if I feel the cat.
This is team. Which team you gonna choose, Tami or Andrew?
No. There's something I like the cool vibe, but that one there talk to me. I don't know. This one feel like wake up in the morning and just see the nice little warm, wood plank tile underneath my foot bottom.
Oh my
feel
God.
like it's a go. No, MTM Family, we need the help.
Are we gonna call this tile option A and option B? How about that?
I'm gonna look sorry.
You're more
Well, you match this one,
Choose tile A or tile B. Put it in the comment section, and then we'll check and decide.
Both great options though.
Yeah. All right.
Give me back my phone, I'm gonna know.
I think we should look at the other stuff as well and see how it all kind of ties together.
Yeah.
As well. Ooh, shall we stop here first? Let's stop here first. I am very excited about this tile. So this is the first time we're doing, I think, so much wall tiles. And we have a patio area, which is, to me, the wow moment of the whole renovation. And you actually chose this tile.
Yeah, we needed some texture. We needed some texture. We needed some pop.
So this is...
Andrew actually gave us the idea for the patio. He was like, yo, I think this needs a wall with this project. And this is what's going to bring it off.
I love this because it's such a large space and it does need that texture, and it's outside, so we get to do something that feels a little more natural, a little bit more like, it's kind of not perfect.
And it doesn't give you the feeling like you just tiled the wall.
Exactly.
So it won't date, it will stay like that because it almost felt like it was meant to be there.
Exactly. I love that. And then we wanted to match this up with the perfect flooring for outside. So our patio has a different flooring from our bedroom. And so let's show you that. So this is unlike anything we've ever done. And I love this because this shows you how it's going to be all laid out. And I love, again, this idea of this natural... it's outside. It needs to have that feeling.
You don't want to feel like you're inside your bedroom. You're outside into a different space, even though it's connected. These natural stone tiles really make that work.
And we're going to be adding plants, and of course, our tub is going to be out there as well. So we wanted to make sure that it was something that would, kind of go along with it, but it's also gonna get rain, so we wanted to make sure it was non-slip. I wanted to use the whole door. You can't slip and drop. And then look at this, guys. Look how nicely this all comes together. Like, just imagine this is the wall, this is the floor. I love that. I love that.
Me stay already. Me can't see it unless me see it on the wall actually. But I do have an idea now.
Oh, don't worry, I'll drop in a picture for you right now so you can kind of see what it would look like all in one
Thank you,
space.
please. Thank you.
So again, I love this idea. What them call this?
Travertine.
Travertine.
Well, it's really the travertine pattern that we will be using.
Got it. And that is where you use different size tiles to make a pattern. So I love that. And I've seen a lot of this online, so I know it's definitely on trend, but timeless. Okay, so I can't believe we're talking about the bathroom right now, but I'm so excited to be doing a really cool, clean shower.
Yeah, these are normally floor tiles, but we'll switch it up.
Them can go on the wall, right?
They can go on the wall, and we're going to put them on the wall.
Yes.
But we'll switch it up.
So again, we were faced with a choice where for me, it was between these two right here. But the one that we decided to go with in the end was the Grand Soft. And this is actually going to be on all of the walls in the shower. And I love this tile. Again, I feel like it gives us that natural feeling. Actually, after showering upstairs, where we have kind of like that natural stone vibe in the shower, I really wanted something similar to that. And this gives us that large format shower tile.
And what it will also do is change how we're going to play on the accents in the shower as well. So we don't have to go with a mosaic accent or anything like that. You can almost use the tile itself as an accent because it just blends very well.
I want to show you guys what we chose for the shower floor. This was an anchor choice as well. Yeah. I love it. And I love it again. And look at it with this. It's so good.
Yeah, they work
So
together.
you like that, right, Maureen?
Yeah.
So this is our actual shower floor. We're not doing any accents with that. That's just for the floor.
Yeah, just the floor.
Perfect. And I'm not doing like an accent wall in the shower. All the walls will be this, which I really like.
Fixtures are the accents.
The fixtures will be the accents,
Because
and we're
this
going
is so
more,
clean.
going more brassy, more gold tone. So I think it will work really nice with this. Perfect.
All right, but guys, tell me if I'm wrong, but these tiles have to tie in well with the bedroom floor and the bathroom floor, which is going to be one of the two planks, right?
Definitely, because it's flowing from your bedroom into your closet into your bathroom.
Right.
So it has to work well with it.
So I said, get the two planks and let me see how them feel right beside these. I think that going to be something for kind of more. All right, thank you, please. See, me know me I talk about me know me I deal with the people. All right, so here they come back with these
I
two.
can put it here, right? Yeah, perfect.
All right,
Put yours there.
no,
Mine,
And I'm going to put mine against it.
my thing are winning now.
But
no,
this
me
is
not
such a
lie.
nice style that it could work with either one,
Let me see.
right?
This is
Because
tough.
it blends the colors.
No, Ja. I'm not trying to lead the witness, but that warm one there.
Hey, Wayne, mine all the cousins cost me enough. I'm picking this one.
I don't know.
I'll come with more. Because the story isn't complete. Because you have to look at like the outside.
Everything together.
And what's happening there too. And I feel like this is a nice story here. That's a nice, clean, not big enough here. Yeah. Look at that.
Andrew, I'm sorry for you,
Clean. I know this gives us some contrast, but I feel like this is just, what do you decide?
Them have the
But
final
now you
verdict.
can kind of see the rest of the story. I have that coming
Move this
together.
one out of the way. Remove this one out of the way.
It's nice too, Andrew. It's nice too.
It have a vibe. It have a vibe too.
Yeah.
Cousins, tell me what's going on.
Cousins, choose wisely. Okay, so countertops, and you might be thinking we're not doing a kitchen, which we're not, but our bathroom will definitely need the vanity.
Closet.
Yes, the closet too.
Well, if we're creative, we can fit
I
it
got
in.
it. The shower step thing, you'd be surprised where you're actually gonna need countertop. And something that we're looking at as well is a sintered stone, which is a new product, which I had not heard about before. We got a chance to look at it last time we were here, and it's so versatile, all of the different types. You can get it with this marbling detail, you can get with all types of different colors, you can get matte, shiny, the whole lot. So, pretty cool.
Tami, one thing I don't think you have thought about, maybe not for this bathroom, but this would look excellent in the shower. If you put this on the shower stack and you have your mixer here, this would go
as
against.
like an accent wall.
So this would replace your mosaics, your mosaic accents, stuff like that. No grout lines,
Easy to clean.
Easy to clean jinx.
Well, you know that's my jam, easy to clean.
I know.
But this is all wall. You couldn't use it on like a floor.
No,
This
no,
is
no,
like
no,
on the back.
And I wouldn't use it all the way around because it would be too much.
Got it,
I would
but just
just use
one-
it on the one
Love that.
shower stack wall.
We decided
Well,
on
let's see, because there is a matte one. You know I love matte, right, guys? There's a matte one, but I wanted to see it in full size before we decide it, because I like it plain. So let's go look at that, and then we'll make a decision.
Okay.
Got a little coffee before we walk over to the slab, because you know, need a little boost me up. Alright, so here's a sintered stone in the white. Now it still has some veining in there, which I didn't really want for the countertop. I get where this would be nice if we were doing an accent wall where you definitely want that veining, but I don't think I want that for the countertop of the vanity. So I think we're gonna go with the quartz slab in the plain white, which is what we actually have in the kitchen right now.
Timeless.
You can't go wrong. Let me show you. This is the one that we have in our kitchen, and I think it's going to be great for the countertop and the perfect backdrop for everything that's already happening here. So that's the one. Yeah.
This one is a nice tile.
Yeah, they have all kinds of different options for sure. Like, I actually quite like this one.
This is very nice.
Yeah. Andrew, don't see it like that.
Why?
Because you want it now.
Uh-oh. This
It's
would
giving me
look
like a
good in the bathroom too, on that wall. But this
It's bad. So one of the most exciting things for me is that we're actually going to have a tub, which is something that I kind of was like, and between yourself and Vanessa, you found a space for a tub.
Yeah.
Which
And
I
even
can't
if you don't
believe.
use it, it's gonna look good.
It's gonna look nice. Even if you become a planter, a beer plant,
It's gonna look good.
yeah, no, the kids are gonna use it for sure. And so there's so many different options of tubs, but this is what I ultimately decided on. And this was actually Wayne's choice. So something I really like about this one is obviously I love the shape of it, but I love that it has this ledge, which Wayne actually was like, we need something with a ledge. He actually said I can sit on the side of it. Oh, that's not it. Sorry.
This is a one-person tub.
This is a one person. That's right.
Yeah.
This is a one person tub. I thought it would be a nice fit for the space, and I do like the addition of the ledge on there as well, which means I can put a tray across. I can rest a glass here.
A little accent.
A little accent, something. So I think this is a really, really nice one. Yeah, love this one. All right, guys, we're gonna head upstairs now to look at the bed. So excited, and the lighting. Oh, and the ceiling fan. Let's go. Stairs or elevator?
Stairs.
Me too. Me too. All right, so this is the bed that we actually chose. I love it. This is a light gray upholstered bed frame, and this was important to us to also not just do a bed head, but to actually have the whole frame so that it would add that nice finishing touch to it. And again, we're playing with the cools and the warm tones, and I think this is just a really nice way to kind of do that. The kids are gonna love this. My pick them love do all kind of something, you know, so this is gonna add a little safety to for them. I don't know though if we're gonna do anything at the foot of the bed, Andrew. I'm thinking just a chest of drawers there, but I don't know.
But they have a really nice one over there, so you should look at it and make a decision.
No, but
Yeah, look at it.
when he's telling me this, now he's gonna love it.
Let's try
And then I'm gonna come and sit here and say, forget that chest of drawers. Oh, that is nice. This is a nice bed.
Decisions.
This is nice. Oh no. I don't think we have space for it though. But if we do, we'll have to see. Because I'm doing a chest of drawers right there in front of the bed. So I think there's not going to be space.
You're already getting used to shimmying
yeah, I
across
missed
things.
it. I love this though. And I like this bed too. But I really think it's the other bed.
If you ever get lucky in an active one evening,
No,
you know,
I would,
say,
be, I would be like, what a girl named Goldilocks, so she go from bed to bed. So I really love these here. They remind me of like propellers on planes.
Yeah.
So it's just a really sleek, classic design. We're going with a no light.
Definitely.
Yeah?
I actually have these fans at my house.
You do?
Yeah,
Oh,
and
great.
they work excellent.
Them box and mosquito, okay, you know, that's my...
I don't know about box and mosquito, but they move a lot of air.
Good.
They're very good fans
Good.
and they look good.
Yeah, because we still have very high ceilings, even though we're doing our drywall, we still have a pretty high ceiling happening, and we're going to be tucking the fan.
So the fan
right in
affair
that space.
chop.
Exactly, so we need that.
This
so.
will do the job.
Yeah, okay, great. I'm excited about this. So we also are going to be putting wall sconces on the outdoor patio. We're doing three sconces, and there are just so many options that I can't think straight. So I'm gonna defer to Andrew for this one.
So the texture of the stone cladding that we're putting on, I think a downlight bouncing off of that would look so nice versus a light that is projecting outwards.
Okay.
So you get that added effect of the texture, and the light is now either
So it goes down and up? Got it.
I think that would be the look that you're going for, rather than also a light that is shining in your eyes.
Yes.
So you want it to illuminate the space, but you don't necessarily want it to blind you. Remember, you don't have, it's also your bedroom right beside it, so when you turn on that light, it's going to be in your eye.
True.
I think something that illuminates and then it kind of bounces off the texture would be perfect.
And do you think black or white?
Definitely black.
I like the black too.
Definitely black because the white going blend in.
Yeah, it's like a blend.
You're not gonna see.
You're not gonna
You're not gonna
see.
see.
Oh, perfect.
Boom.
Oh, I love that. And it's just up and down. And then it looks like you can choose.
Oh, you can actually.
Yo, that bad.
Oh, clever.
That's interesting.
I
That
like
bad.
that. Alright guys, so you have some work to do, so definitely leave your comments. Is it tile A or tile B? Let us know. Big up to Active Home Center, our definite one-stop shop time after time. I don't know how many renovations we've done now. They must have coming out. But yeah, big up to everybody here and everybody who helps us out behind the scenes as well. You see us here in front, but believe me, we've been here so many times and had to make so many trips. But I think we've narrowed it down now.
Yeah.
So
And it's going to look good.
It's going to look great.
Yeah, I think we did a good job.
We did. We kind of complicated some things, but
Threw some things in the mix.
I'm dying to see which tile you guys are gonna choose. I think I already have my favorite, but I
know what I'm going to
definitely
choose.
will. You do?
Yeah, I'm going to lose.
You think so?
I think I'm going to lose.
I don't know. We'll see. A or B? Put it in the comments. All right. See you soon. Bye.